Welcome to my Dividend Dollars YouTube channel. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 most insane double-floor motorhomes of 2026. And trust us, these aren't just RVs. They're rolling smart mansions. From rooftop jacuzzis and elevators to hidden garages and AI-powered kitchens, these two-story RVs are changing the luxury travel game forever. Starting off at number 5, we have the motorhome that brings resort vibes on the road. A double-decker RV with a rooftop jacuzzi and lounge deck. Imagine parking in the middle of a scenic valley, climbing to the second level, and relaxing in your private spa while sipping a drink. With built-in lighting and surround sound, this isn't just travel. It's a personal luxury retreat wherever you go. At number 4, things get futuristic with a motorhome featuring a full-sized glass elevator. Forget ladders and cramped staircases. This RV offers smooth access between the 2 floors, adding a true touch of hotel-style luxury on wheels. Its accessibility and comfort blended perfectly. Number 3 is straight out of a billionaire's dream, a hidden garage built into the lower deck. Yes, you can carry your sports car or compact EV inside your motorhome. When you reach your destination, just open the hatch and drive out in style. It's like having your own portable villa with a private car showroom. Coming in at number 2 is the AI-powered smart kitchen, designed to make cooking easier than ever. This futuristic setup uses sensors and intelligent assistants to suggest recipes, control appliances, and even prepare meals automatically. Road trips don't mean fast food anymore now, they mean 5-star dining, wherever you're parked. Finally, at number 1, we have the ultimate rolling palace, a fully customizable double-floor motorhome equipped with retractable balconies, private bedrooms, a cinema room, and even climate-controlled zones. It's designed for long journeys without sacrificing comfort, essentially turning the open road into a 5-star luxury suite.